Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to write a post on Instagram without a picture. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram application. And then just go ahead and swipe your finger from left to right, and then here you want to click on create at the left side of your screen, and now just go ahead and type on something. You can also change the font of it. So now I want you to do is to click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen and click on save. So now let's go back to the home page of the Instagram, and now I want you to click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. And now as you can see, this is the story that we made earlier. So now just go ahead and click on next at the upper right corner of your screen. Then here you can also choose the filter, then click next, and here you can write a caption, click on share, and when you check your profile you can see that there's the post that we made. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.